There you go. Some of it's down in the hole. There you go, breathe, keep going.
Has a beautiful smell.
It is. That's the woodman's perfume. Wood smoke. Keep going, on to the go, so you can go. Alright, you've got a cold. One thing you need to do too is when you're winded like that, is you slow down.
Okay.
Now when we put the coal in here, I want you gotta, it'll blow through the back, so you gotta keep feeding it like this. You got it up here and got the coal in it, and if it starts going through, you do that, or you turn it and blow from the other direction. And when you do this, put it up here in the air, out away from you so you can breathe, because you inhale smoke, you'll cough and drop it and destroy it all. It's starting to get stuff. All right, turn it up. One of the best ways is turn this up to meet it. Go ahead and stand up now. Kind of wrap it in it. Go ahead and stand up, step right here where you can breathe. Blow hard. Come out here where you got more room. Blow hard. There you go. He
Awesome.
made fire! First time.
That wasn't the first time, but thank you.
It wasn't the first time?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, I mean, the first time you've done
the first time I ever done a bow drill.
Yeah, right. Fantastic, man.
Oh my goodness.